bonjour et bienvenue. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector and fashion lover, and today this video is going to be an unboxing. I picked 3 SLG items from Longchamp and from the new collection for winter 22. So let's discover together. So here are they. So I've got 2 boxes and this white paper, of course. So the first unboxing I got I'm sure you guess. Yes, it's the Longchamp Foulonné card holder in the lilac color. Oh my God. Look at this color. Oh, I love it. I really love it. For those who know and have seen my previous video, few months ago I unboxed the same card holder in the lagoon color, and it's a success. It's really a great item, and when I saw that Longchamp was releasing lilac Foulonné, of course I have to have it. So a little description for those who do not know this card holder. So this card holder is from the Foulonné range. Foulonné is a leather completely insane, unscratchable, water resistant. When I say water resistant, I mean if you have some water drops on it, no worry, you swapped with a tissue and it's perfect. Of course, if you stay under a storm, at the end your leather will have problem, but just some water, it's okay. You swapped with a tissue and perfect. So this card holder, I will link dimension in inches. In centimeter, it is 10 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. The retail price in euro is 50 euro, in dollar is $65 American dollar. And I love it because, okay, I take the Longchamp tag and care booklet out. So you've got 2 card slots from one side and 2 other card slots on the other side, and inside you got a pocket and you can put cards. I use it to put cards, tickets, and also coins, and sometimes if I have my tiny keys I put them here. So really this wallet is really great, and I use a lot of tiny bag. Even in my big bag I use it and I love it. Here you can read Longchamp, and behind you got the Longchamp horse. Yes, you can see it. I love it. It's really practical, and it's a great item. It's really a great item. And oh, I forgot to mention, but look inside. Yes, you can see it. You've got the traditional Longchamp ribbon jacquard in lilac too, and it's gorgeous. Yes, really. I don't know if with the light you can see it clearly, but this color is really gorgeous. I am a big lilac and violet fan, and I can tell they made a great color. They really made a great color. So this is the first item I picked from the new collection. The second item, also in a box, and I got it's the, oops, sorry guys, I got the luggage tag. Okay, no worry, I think the box is a bit smaller. Okay, it's perfect. That's the advantage of Foulonné leather. Foulonné leather is so soft. Even if your item is like that, just push in the other side and look perfect. I love Foulonné leather. So this is the luggage tag from Longchamp, still in Foulonné leather, as I told you few seconds before, and in the lilac color. And that's the very first time I got this item from Longchamp, and it's my sales associate who knows that I love lilac, and I was in the store and she said, hey, I got something for you. It's a tiny item but really cute. And when I saw it, I say, I take it. It's quite simple. It's really simple. So you have this big piece of leather. Here you have all in leather. You got the gold hardware, and you've got, it's simple. You open like that. You put on your suitcase, on your travel bag, whatever, and yes, it's really simple to open it and close it. And behind, so in front you see Longchamp. Behind you've got just a pocket, you see, like this. And in fact, you put your name on the paper with your address, and that's all. Of course, I don't think it's the best luggage tag. I've got another one, you know, with the traditional, it's like a window and you already have a paper where you can write your name, your address. Of course, it's not the best, but I love the design, and yes, it was in lilac, and I found it really cute. And yes, I will try it with a piece of paper inside, and but yes, I have to admit I take it for the color, because I'm really a huge fan. I don't think I will collect them, but I'm happy to have this one. So the luggage tag retails for 25 euro, and in dollar it is $33. The dimension, it's 11 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. I will link below in inches, and it's all in leather, Foulonné leather. And yes, it's cute. It's cute. Let's see if it is helpful, but it's cute. It's really cute. So I took this piece, and let's talk about the last item I picked in my boutique, and by the size, now it is wrapped. I know you know what it is, and of course I have to have it. I've got several of them, and I love them. I use them a lot, and so without surprise, you can guess that I got the Longchamp Foulonné pouch in the lilac color. Look how gorgeous it is. So all in leather with gold hardware, and here you got the D-ring, which is really practical, because if in your bag you have the chain strap with a hook, you can attach it, and I got it in many of my bags, and it's so practical. In front it is still written Longchamp, and this time also you got the little horse at the back, at the bottom of the bag here. So lilac color. This pouch retails for 75 euro and $95. The dimension 22 centimeter by 13 centimeter. I will link in inches. And yes, so a zip closure, and inside it's raw leather, like it is like many years. No, so this is a care booklet. No other pouches or something else, and but I love them because, okay, it's a price, but it's only leather, and I got some for many years, and they are still in pristine condition. I mean, this is soft, this is practical, you can fit all your essential. I can fit feminine product, I can fit makeup, I can fit tiny notebook, pen, even sunglasses, sometimes I saw it in some restaurant at the evening. I know girls who just put their card holder, the phone, and they take it as a clutch. Yes, you can take it as a clutch. So you can have multiple use of it, and of course, in lilac. I have to have it. And maybe one day I will show you my collection of vest pouch. And oh my God, this one is really stunning. Really, really stunning. I love it. So that was all for today. Hope you enjoy this SLG unboxing from the new collection. I know it's all in lilac, but guys, I'm a huge fan of this color. If you already got Vans item and you like them or you do not like them, please comment below and tell me why. If you want more information about Vans item, do not hesitate to comment below. I will be more than happy to help you. And thanks for watching, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do, because I have many things to say and show you, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, have a great day, take care, bisous et à très bientôt. Bye guys!